So, part 12 of chapter 9, inventory management. I'm going to do problem 29, the letter B, which is about how to calculate for a continuous review system, how to calculate the reorder point. Okay. So if you try to do that by yourself, if you haven't done that yet, stop the video now, open the PowerPoint and try to do using this formula. You can also, instead of watching the video, you can go and open the solutions that are available in a Word document. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is to calculate the weekly demand. Okay, so the weekly demand is going to be lowercase d. The year demand, which we also use in the same problem before, which is 15,080, divided by 52 weeks. So it's going to be 290 units per week. Okay, so that is our weekly demand. Then something else that we also need is to understand the z-score, right? So the z-score for 95% service level. So we need to go back to that z-score table, find where is 95, look at this column, look at the first row, right, and find what exactly the service level there. So in this case, the z-score is 1.65. So some problems I will give you ahead of time the z-score, and most of them actually. Okay. So to calculate our reorder point, the formula is the weekly demand times lead time plus the safety stock, which is z times standard deviation of the demand times square root of L. Okay, so this is safety stock, right? So R will be the 290, which is the weekly demand, times the lead time, and in this case the lead time is 5 weeks. We have that from the problem, plus 1.65, so that's our z-score. We multiply that by 64 because that's the standard deviation for the problem. Say the standard deviation is 64, and times square root of 5, and 5 is the lead time. Okay, so we can write here so you guys don't forget. Lead time is 5. Standard deviation of the demand is 64. That's all given by the problem here. Okay. So R for us is going to be 1,450 plus 236. So R is 1,686. Right? So we know that whenever the inventory gets to this number, when I'm using that chart, the sawtooth one that you're going down, 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 when it gets to 1,686, then is when you place the order. It'll consume a little bit more, and then the order will arrive, and that's when Q arrive, which is 1,121, which is the EOQ, right? And then we'll go down and up and down like this. Okay, so we know exactly how the behavior is going to be for the system, and that's the answer for this problem. You can also calculate total cost. You guys can take a look at how to calculate that into the solutions for Chapter 9 solutions for problem 2. I'm not going to do it again since I already did it 2 times. Okay.